In industrial settings, pressure differential flow meters are essential for accurate flow measurement. However, issues can arise, leading to inaccurate readings or system failures. Case 1. Xylene feed flow meter not indicating flow. Problem: after maintenance, the Xylene feed flow meter failed to show readings. The transmitter and orifice plate system were inspected without issues. Interestingly, after flushing the transmitter's drain pipe, the meter briefly showed readings before dropping to zero again. Analysis: the Xylene sample revealed a water content of nearly 30%, significantly higher than expected. This density difference created a differential pressure that overpowered the pressure drop across the orifice plate, causing the flow meter to fail. Solution: reducing the water content in the Xylene restored normal flow meter function. Case 2. Sulfur Bed Gasbag water supply flow meter not indicating flow. Problem: the Sulfur Bed Gasbag water supply flow meter showed no readings, despite process indicators suggesting water flow. Analysis: discharging the transmitter's chambers revealed that the positive pressure line was blocked, leading to the absence of flow readings. Solution: clearing the blockage in the positive pressure line restored accurate flow measurements. These cases highlight the importance of thorough system checks and understanding the properties of the measured fluids to ensure accurate flow measurements.